Okay, we are working on a New Holland LS170 skid loader. Customer had a complaint that the park brake was not working anymore. So I took the one rear wheel off, side cover off here to expose the parking brake. And what is weird about this model, is it is actually just metal on metal. I know that's hard to believe, but I'm going to pull this this out here, pull this center bolt out, and then all these do is they float. They've got silicone on these. As you can see, the silicone on this washer, so that oil cannot come, you don't want oil going back and forth between. But all they are is floating metal discs on this shaft. And then right here is your caliper. And I'm going to pull these two bolts out. You have to get to them from down inside here. I'm going to pull them out, and then I'm going to show you what this actually looks like when I get it apart. Okay, so I wanted to show you, I got the bolts loosened up on the inside. This is the outside part. This is the puck, which all that is a piece of metal that goes right up against this this steel drum right here, steel plate. Take this plate out, set that aside, and then you have this spacer, which goes in between them, and you can see that one there is, that baby there is worn in really good. That's worn in. And then you have another one right there, and if you heard that fall, the pieces that fell here, I'll show you these when I get them out. So here's the puck. This is a puck right here, and it's going to be hard to tell. What there is there is a really big ridge on the side of this. Well, you can see it right there. That lip. That's the wear. Here, we can get a better look at it right there. That is the wear that you're going to see when you do this. And then down in here is another, there it is. This little thing right here, all this is right here is just it just goes in there like that and goes up against that screw. And I wanted to show you this. This is what's really kind of interesting on how this works. This pin or peg right here goes out here or inside here into the machine. Try to get a view of it. There's the spring, that big spring right there, and there's an arm down in there that hooks onto this right here. And what that is there's big wide threads on that. So as you go, like, do my hand here, as you go like that, it threads that out. When you bring it back, it pulls it back in. So that's all that's doing, is putting pressure on this metal puck and pushing these, clamping these discs together on this right here, which this is the auxiliary, I guess I'd call it, drive mechanism, because right here's where it is right here. This is just a drive with a chain inside there. And all that does is, that's basically how it stops. But, you know, when you look at that, you think, oh my gosh, the metal's gone, or the fiber's gone, the brake pad's gone, it's wore out. No, it's not. It is metal on metal, because I will actually show you, over here, I'll show you a brand new one that just came for it. Here's the brand new one, right from New Holland CNH. I'll show you the brand new one here. Get it out of the package. All it is just a flat, round piece of metal that compresses onto that and creates that friction that stops it from, there we go. That's all it is. It's just, there's no fiber on it or anything. It's just a flat piece of metal. Now I've already gotten the other side all put together, except for not having the panel on it here. But if I unhook this one and I go down, because it goes down to set the brake, I have major resistance right there. And you can see, it's hard to say, right there. I'm pushing on that and it's got resistance. Before, this lever would go all the way down, bottom out. So we'll clean up the stuff and we'll put that side together.